Hi dear students, today we are moving to Unit 10 Digital Presentation. What do you mean by presentation? A presentation is an information given from a speaker to audience. This can be in the form of pictures or demonstrations or a talk, whatever it may be. Okay, some information from a speaker to audience that is termed as presentation. Then we come to the point digital presentation. What do you mean by digital presentation? If we convey information digitally, it is termed as digital presentation, and this can be implemented through presentation software. We have already studied MS PowerPoint presentation software. Just like another presentation software, LibreOffice Impress we are going to learn in this unit. In this session, we are going to understand the features of a good presentation and at the same time the characteristics of a good quality presentation. Let us study in detail. Unit 10 Digital Presentation. A digital presentation is a process of providing information to an audience using text, audio, video, and graphics. If we present an information in the form of pictures, it is an easy method to understand the topics. A presentation consists of set of slides and each slide acts as a page. In this unit, we are going to study the presentation software LibreOffice Impress. A presentation software always helps to prepare a well-made presentation which always impresses the audience. Let us understand the features of an effective presentation. Some essentials are confidence. If you want to present something in front of the audience, you must prepare yourself confidently. Sincerity. It is the ability of a speaker to convey his or her words sincerely. A preacher will succeed only if his interest and his words coming from the heart. Mastery of the subject. A good speaker should have a thorough knowledge in his topic. A friendly feeling for the audience. You should establish a friendly bond, a friendly communication with the audience. Sometimes audience are strangers with different opinions. That time you must display a friendly feeling towards them. Characteristics of good quality presentation. We must review the content of the presentation before presenting to the audience. Both design part and the knowledge part both are important in the presentation. Anyone can become an effective presenter with proper practice and just follow some set of skills. First one, know your topic. Making a good presentation is very important one, but at the same time these topics need to present to the audience, that is also equally important. Choose effective phrases for each slide. Based on the powerful words you are presenting, you are using to present, you can guide the attention of the audience. Avoid writing too much in one slide. The slide should not be congested. That means the points need to be reduced in each slide. Plan the layout of the slide. Based on the content, we need to decide the layout of the slide. It should be easy to follow. Avoid gaudy fonts. That means very attractive, brightly colored fonts. In a professional presentation, we must take care of these fonts. Font should be elegant and simple. Very simple and neat, effective fonts need to be used while preparing a professional presentation. Use contrasting colors for text and background. The text color should be dark and the background color should be light. We need to select the color which will be more visible or more clear to our eyes. Use a slide design template to keep your presentation look consistent. That means always use a single background to all slides. Otherwise, one slide, one background, the other one different. That is not good. It will lose the focus of the topic of the audience. Use animations and transitions sparingly. We can use this feature, but we need to use carefully. Avoid too much flashy animations and transitions for an effective professional presentation. Some guidelines we need to review after creating the presentation. Do a thorough spell check. Spelling mistakes we need to check. Perform a manual spell check. That means some terms are technical terms or another terms are not in the computer dictionary, but the terms are correct. That's why manual spell check is needed for that time. Then remove the irrelevant content. So once we think that is no need, it's not necessary, then remove that content from the slides. If we are aware of these features and characteristics of presentation, we can also become an effective presenter. That's all about today's class. Thank you.